And let's move on to the shipping rules subtab. This section gives you advanced control of the shipping rates to show and charge when specific criteria are met. You can create a rule by clicking on Create Rule. We can create all kinds of rules, like for example, add a fee of $5 to all services and all shipping zones without any conditions, so the system will always charge an extra fee of $5 no matter the shipping service used. We can hide a shipping service if the user is purchasing specific products or products from a specific category. Hide a shipping service for customers located in a specific shipping zone, and more. For example, I have a bike for sale on my site, but I want to add a fee of $20 to deliver this bike. So let's name the rule. I'm going to select all zones. I'm going to apply this rule to all services, but here you can see that you can actually choose any service you want. You have Canada Post Regular Parcel, Post Express Post, DHL Express, Fastway, UPS, all of this. So I'm just going to leave this to all services. Then I'm going to set the conditions to apply this rule. I'm going to show this rule only if all these rules match. I'm going to show this rule if the product is this bike or this one. And I'm going to click here to add a fee to the shipping rates. It's going to be a fixed amount of $20. Save rule, back to rules list,